Have you ever received your salary? Felt excited maybe like 2 days, and then suddenly your account balance looks like you never even got paid? You start asking yourself, where did my money go? And the scary part is, even the people earning higher income or good salaries are still broke by the end of the month. If this has ever happened to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Today I'm going to show you 7 hidden reasons why your salary disappears every month. And once you understand them, you will start keeping more money in your pocket. And trust me, some of these are things most people don't even realize they are doing. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Becky, and on this channel we talk about money, investing, and building financial freedom step by step. If you're just starting your financial journey, you are in the right place. Now let's talk about the real reason why your salary keeps disappearing. 1. No budget. The first reason your salary disappears is so simple. You don't have any plan for your money. Many people receive their salary and they start spending. Bills come, your friend invites you, you buy something online, and maybe you checked online and you found that there is promotion. Before you know it, all the money is gone. Let me tell you something about budgeting. I used to think that to have a budget, you need to have a big amount of money. Or I was like, maybe I'm smart enough. I know I'm earning this amount of money. This will go here. This will go here. So in my mind, I thought that's a budget. Because in my mind, I already told my money where to go. So when the money comes, you already know that you're putting this amount of money in the rent, this amount of money transport, this amount of money, this and that. That's head. It's in your mind. But when the money comes to your account, you'll never remember what you've said, the budget of the head budget. So that's why to have a physical budget is so important. Don't rely on your head budget. Rely on the physical budget. Maybe someone else thinks that I tell my man I earn 500, I know this amount of money will go here, this will go here. You have fixed budget in your mind. Until something happens, your money disappears. That's when you will get to know that there is need for a physical budget, the real budget, not head budget. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without you noticing. A budget simply means giving every shilling a job before you spend it. Without that plan, your money will always vanish. The second reason is something called lifestyle creep. This is when your expenses increase every time your income increases. Let me give you a simple example. Maybe someone was earning 600k Ugandan shillings and you are managing life. Then something happens, maybe they increase your salary or you get a better job. They start paying you 1.2 million. Instead of saving the difference, suddenly, that's the time you start thinking of moving to the new apartment. Maybe you've been using taxis, you feel like no more, you're going to use Uber or Boda. That time you've been taking, before you were taking food to work, so now you start thinking of getting lunch from work or restaurant around you or even eat out. Even you start buying expensive things. So it means 600, by then it was enough, but because now you have 1.2 million, your expenses are fitting 1.2 million. Even though the income doubled, the savings stayed the same. That's zero. This is why some people earning even 5 million and above are still broke. Another reason your salary disappears is something very small but very powerful. Small daily expenses. Things like buying snacks every day, eating out, using Uber rides, ordering food, small online purchases, random mobile money spending. These things feel small in the moment. Maybe 5K here, 10K there. But let's calculate something. If you spend 10K, it means that's around 300K per month. That's almost a salary for someone. Small daily expenses are like tiny holes in a bucket. You don't notice them, but slowly your money leaks away. Reason 4, no automatic savings. You save only what is left, and the truth is, there is always nothing left. Many people always say, I will save at the end of the month. But the month ends with unexpected expenses, emergency, random spending, and saving never happens. The solution is simple. Save first, spend later. The moment your salary comes in, move some money immediately to the savings. Even if it's 10% or 20% of your salary. When savings happen fast, your lifestyle automatically adjusts to the remaining money. If saving fast is still hard, you can make standing order in your bank so that in case your salary comes in, they put it to the savings account. Fifth reason is high fixed costs. These are bills you must pay every month. Example includes expensive rent, car loan, loan repayment, salary advances, and school fees commitments. Some people spend 70 to 80% of their salary on fixed expenses, which means by the time the month starts, their money is already finished. This creates the dangerous cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. And many people stay in that cycle for many years. Another reason, mental accounting mistakes. This one is very interesting. It's called mental accounting. This is when your brain treats money differently, depending on where it came from. For example, your salary feels like serious money. But when you receive a bonus, mobile money refund, tips, side hustle income, or any money from gigs, small extra cash, you treat it like free money. So you spend it faster. Let me give you a common example. Maybe you receive 200 or 100K from a side hustle, gig, or even a tip. Instead of saving it or investing, you say like this, let me spend it, let me also enjoy. After all, I didn't know about this money. And that's how it disappears quickly. And this is so common because that money is always treated as free. But money is money, no matter where it comes from. Finally, financial habits you learned growing up. Most of us were never taught budgeting, saving, investing, or managing money. So we learned money habits from family, friends, or even society. Sometimes those habits are not healthy. For example, some people believe when you get money, you must spend it and enjoy. And they have a saying, life is so short. So you have to enjoy your money now. So they start enjoying their money now without saving or investing anything. And you see, we learn that from a society or our background and friends. But true financial freedom comes from learning new habits. Habits like saving consistently, investing early, controlling spending, and planning for the future. Once your habits change, your financial life also changes. If your salary disappears every month, it doesn't mean you earn too little. Most of the time, it simply means your money system is not working. And the good news is, money systems can be fixed. If you're watching this and thinking this is exactly me, please don't feel discouraged. Financial wisdom is something we learn step by step. The most important thing is start now. If this video helped you to understand where your money is going, make sure you like this video, comment below and tell me which of these 7 reasons affect you the most. If you want to learn how to save, invest and grow your money, make sure you subscribe to this channel because every week we talk about practical financial lessons that can change your life. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.